Hi everyone, this is Sintang Mayumi. I just want to share this stamps that I got online, and it's by Raisenboat.com. So this is the name, and this is their blog. So the store is closing out, and they're having 50% off their all of their clear stamps. So I got 7 stamp set, and I only paid, I think, 50 something dollars. The first one that I got is this Camo Man, and on their YouTube channel, it's really cool how they use this stamps right here, this one's here. So this is gonna be fun to use. So I get this one, and this is the back, and I think all of their stamps are photopolymer, so I got that. And then the next one that I got is this put it delicately. So this is the stamps, and then this is the back of the stamps. So that's that one. And then this one is a summer lineup. So I got this, and then that's the back. So these are $14.99, but it's half off. So I think I only paid like less than $8, I think. So I got this. And then the next one is the Sweet Treats. It has candied apple, peppermint, gumbo machine, candies. So it's really cute set. And this is the back. I got that. And then the next one that I got is Power for the Course. So I'm gonna try to make a Father's Day card for my father-in-law, because he loves golf. So I got this, and then that's the back. And then the next one is Modern Mobility. So I got this, and then that's the back. And then the last one that I got is Big Rig Party. So I got this. This is good for making a card for moving or something. I got this, and then this is the back side. So that's all of the stamps that I got, and I'm looking at it right now. They're still having 50% off your order with discount code DEAL 50, DEAL 50. And then they're also having this plus 12 sets for $5 after discount. So if you guys are interested, you can go to their online store, and I'll leave the link down on the description box below, so you guys can check it out. So I hope you having a good week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.